Hey everyone, you're sitting in a luxurious boardroom, surrounded by towering skyscrapers and bustling city life. A sense of wealth and power permeates the air. But who is the mastermind behind this financial empire? Who is the visionary driving Wealthsimple to unprecedented heights? Building context. Wealthsimple, a Canadian fintech company, has revolutionized the way people invest. With their user-friendly platform and innovative approach, they've made investing accessible to millions. But who is the person at the helm of this financial revolution? Let's dive into the life and career of the CEO of Wealthsimple. Introducing Mike Katchen. Meet Mike Katchen, the CEO of Wealthsimple. Katchen isn't your typical Wall Street executive. He's a disruptor, a tech entrepreneur with a passion for making finance more accessible and affordable. His journey to the top of Wealthsimple is a story of innovation, perseverance, and a relentless pursuit of financial empowerment. Early life and education. Katchen was born and raised in Toronto, Canada. Growing up, he was always fascinated by technology and business. After completing his undergraduate studies, he went on to pursue an MBA from the University of Toronto. The seeds of Wealthsimple. While working in corporate finance, Katchen realized that the traditional investment system was broken. It was complex, expensive, and often favored the wealthy over the everyday investor. This realization sparked an idea in his mind to create a simpler, more affordable way for people to invest. The birth of Wealthsimple. In 2014, Katchen co-founded Wealthsimple with a small team of like-minded individuals. Their goal was to democratize investing and make it accessible to everyone, regardless of their income or experience level. They started by offering robo-advisory services, which use algorithms to automatically invest based on a client's risk tolerance and financial goals. Katchen's vision. Katchen's vision for Wealthsimple was more than just a financial platform. He wanted to create a company that would empower people to take control of their financial futures. He believed that everyone, regardless of their background, deserved the opportunity to build wealth and achieve their dreams. Growth and expansion. Under Katchen's leadership, Wealthsimple experienced rapid growth. The company quickly gained popularity among young investors who were looking for a hassle-free way to invest. Wealthsimple expanded its offerings to include a variety of investment products, such as stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Katchen's leadership style. Katchen is known for his collaborative and inclusive leadership style. He believes in empowering his team and creating a positive work environment. He's also a strong advocate for diversity and inclusion in the tech industry. Challenges and triumphs. Like any successful entrepreneur, Katchen has faced his fair share of challenges. He's had to navigate a rapidly changing regulatory landscape and compete with established financial institutions. But through it all, he's remained focused on his mission of making investing accessible to everyone. The future of Wealthsimple. As Wealthsimple continues to grow and evolve, Katchen's vision for the company remains unchanged. He's committed to making investing more accessible, affordable, and transparent. He's also exploring new ways to use technology to improve the financial lives of his customers. Conclusion. Mike Katchen is more than just the CEO of Wealthsimple. He's a visionary, a disruptor, and a champion for financial empowerment. His leadership has helped to revolutionize the investment industry and make it accessible to millions of people. As Wealthsimple continues to grow, Katchen's legacy will undoubtedly endure. Closing hook. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with one small step. So, what are you waiting for? Start investing today.